Welcome to this tutorial on creating a Cobblemon server using MCSS. Your first step will be to go to the link in the description and download MCSS. Next, go to the next link and download the Fabric installer. Click the button that says Download for Windows. Next, we'll head to the Cobblemon download page. You can also find it on CurseForge, but I used mod-rinth for this tutorial. Make sure you download the latest version and make sure it's the Fabric version. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see the dependencies. Click each of them. For the Fabric API, download the latest 1.19.2 version. For the Architecture API, also download the latest 1.19.2 version, but make sure you get the one for Fabric, not Forge. Now we can begin making our server. First, open the Fabric installer, click on the Server tab and select 1.19.2 as your version. For the file directory, create a new temporary folder. This will just hold the server files for a short time. Click Install. On this new pop-up, click Download Server Jar. Once that's finished, we can exit out of the installer. You can see it created the start of our server files here in our temporary folder. Next, open MCSS. Click File and go to Import Server, select Fabric. Click on Select Server to import, migrate to your temporary folder and select the Fabric Server launch jar. Next, you can name your server. I'll name mine CobbleTest for demonstration purposes. Next, you'll change how much RAM you have dedicated to your server. I recommend at least 4 GB. Next, click on Set Launch Options. On the jar drop-down menu, select the Fabric Server launch jar and click Save. Finally, click Import Server. Close out of the temporary folder and click the File button to open the new server folder. This is where everything related to your server will be. Next, click the gear icon, go to the Advanced tab and click on Java Path Picker. From the drop-down menu, select your Java edition. Minecraft servers after 1.17 require at least Java 16. Click Save. Now we'll start the server. This will create the remaining necessary files for our server. The first launch will fail as we have not yet accepted the EULA. Now that the server has created the remaining files, we can go to our EULA text document and simply change it to true. Now we can open our mods folder and drag our 3 mods into it. This will be where you can install additional mods if you want. Make one last check that all 3 mods say Fabric and not Forge. Go ahead and start your server. If you did everything correctly, the server will now boot up and generate your world. This could take several minutes depending on your computer. Once you see that your server has successfully started, you can copy your IP and head into Minecraft. Here we are in game and you can see Cobblemon is working great. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like, and let me know if you need any help in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you all for watching.